Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really think that we all need to protect our skin during the summer, as you know, and so having a really good sunscreen that you can apply under your makeup is really important. This one from MDSolarSciences is a great sunscreen that I can apply, and what I really love is that it smooths into my skin so well. The sunscreen has an SPF of 50, so I really can get a lot of protection even under my makeup. I find that all day it really stays in place really well, and I love that it has a really nice tint and sheer shimmer to it, so it feels like it really gives my skin lots of glow. The sunscreen is easy to apply, even just using a makeup brush, or you can use your hands, and you'll find that when you look at the texture of it, it's just really smooth and creamy, and it goes into my skin with no problem. Being able to have that extra protection, especially during the warmer months when the sun is really at its fullest, is so important. And my biggest beef is that I've never really found something that really you're able to apply it and it smooths in really well, and this definitely has solved that problem. But that's just my point of view.